So, good morning, students. I'm your English teacher Asha. As I discussed with you all in the previous class, the concert, the lesson, wasn't it? Musical entertainment. So, what happened in a small apartment in Mumbai, children? What was the age of that girl? She was 16 years old and she was reading the newspaper. And as soon as she saw a news, she said excitedly, Pandit Ravi Shankar's play tomorrow in Shanmukananda Auditorium. So, who had to give a caution here? The mother, pointing to a figure sleeping on the bed, she had to give a sign, shh, shh, you will wake him up. But you know he needs all the sleep and rest he can get. So, who wanted the sleep and rest? Here, the boy was on the bed, he was not asleep, and as soon as the boy heard Pandit Ravi Shankar's name, he said, Pandit Ravi Shankar, the sitar maestro. So, maestro in the sense, a great performer, especially a musician. He raised himself. Who had to raise from the bed here? The boy. The boy had to raise himself with his elbows for 1 second, then again he had to fall back. But the boy's eyes were shining. He just said, we must not miss the chance. I have always wanted to hear him and see him. This was the wish of that boy. So all of a sudden the mother had to move quickly to her son and raised himself, who had raised himself without anyone's help. Here mother had to murmur with a catch in her throat. Catch in her throat means with a feeling of great sorrow. And her eyes turned to the idols on the corner shelf. So here, what happened? Her eyes automatically turned to the idols, because as I told you all, in many houses they keep idols, God's idols in a corner shelf. The prayer which came uttered endlessly came unbidden to her lips. So the prayer which she uttered means which she had to emit or let out. It was stopless. It came unexpected to her lips without being asked. So I must hear him and see him, the boy repeated. Again the boy. It's the chance of a lifetime. So boy had to say, I should hear him, I should see him. Who is that him here? So who he wanted to see? The boy wanted to see somebody and hear somebody. Who is that, children? He is none other than Pandit Ravi Shankar. So it's the chance of a lifetime. Again the boy said and he started to cough. So chance of a lifetime means we are not in future, we might not get a chance to see him or hear him. So this is a chance. So the boy started to cough and he had to gasp for the breath and had to be given oxygen from the cylinder. So which was kept under the bed, and here his large eyes were fixed on his sister. This is the recap of the lesson. Now I am going to read the lesson to you all. So next, page number 88. Go to the paragraph number 5 with a pencil, and here I had to read the lesson now. Smita bit her lip in self-reproach. She had been so excited at seeing the announcement that she had not remembered that her brother was very ill. She had been how the doctors had shaken their heads gravely and spoken words that neither she nor her parents could understand. But somewhere deep inside, Smita had known the frightening truth of a brother. Anant was going to die. The word cancer had hung in the air. A brother was dying of cancer, even though she pretended that all would be well and they would return together. A small family of four to their home in Gaganpur, and he was only 15 and the best table tennis player in the school and the fastest runner. He was learning to play the sitar. They were both taking sitar lessons, but Anant was better than her as in many way other things. He was already able to compose his own tunes to the astonishment of their guru. Then cancer had struck and they had come to Bombay so that he could be treated at the cancer hospital in the city.